Let's be real for a second. Is your Agile team just stuck? You're doing all the right things, you're running the ceremonies, but the energy's just gone. It feels like everyone's just going through the motions. If you're nodding your head right now, then you're in exactly the right place.
But what if you could completely flip that script? Listen to this. Alex, a Scrum Master just like you, saw engagement in his meetings jump by 300%. 300. That's not just a small win, that's a total transformation.
I bet this looks painfully familiar, right? The quiet stand-ups where you feel like you're talking to yourself, the deadlines that just kind of whoosh, fly by. These aren't just little problems, they're giant red flags. They're the signs of a team that's slowly giving up.
Now, before we get into the solution, I want to hook you up with something. We've got a free Agile starter kit packed with resources you can use today. The link's right down below. Go check it out.
Okay, so you're going to want to stick around because over the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the exact framework to break that cycle of disengagement. And we're going to do it with a secret weapon you probably already have access to.
All right, let's get into it. The solution here isn't some expensive new software or another certification. It's something much more accessible. It's your AI coaching weapon.
We're talking about using AI. Yeah, tools like ChatGPT as your personal Agile co-pilot. Look, this isn't about replacing you. It's about making you better. It's about giving you fresh perspectives and helping you see the team dynamics you might be missing.
And here's why this is such a game changer. Traditional coaching is great, but let's face it, it's slow and time-consuming. AI coaching gives you instant feedback and a flood of new ideas, letting you make a real impact without burning yourself out.
So how do you actually make this work? You can't just ask random questions. You need a system. You need a framework. So let's open up the playbook.
Okay, here's problem number one, the big one, the retrospective. It's supposed to be this open, honest meeting, but all you hear are crickets. It's maybe the most frustrating part of the job. Here is your first weapon. You can literally copy and paste this prompt. The magic words here are anonymous and thought-provoking. This simple tweak creates psychological safety and invites real, honest feedback.
And boom, look at what you get. The AI generates prompts that let people speak their minds without fear. It forces deeper thinking, and most importantly, it breaks that awful silence.
All right, let's tackle the next one. The lack of ownership. You know, when tasks get done, but nobody really owns anything. Accountability feels like a hot potato everyone's trying to pass off.
Here's your next play. Pay attention to the key words: reframe, commitment, and shared success. You're not asking how to enforce rules. You're asking how to change the entire conversation around what it means to succeed as a team.
What the AI gives you back is pure gold. It's language that frames accountability in a positive light. It helps you connect what one person is doing to the bigger team goal. That's how you build real commitment.
And finally, problem number 3, the silo. You've got your developers over here, your QAs over there, and they only talk when something's on fire. Sound familiar?
Now check this out. We're asking the AI to get creative with us, to act like a team-building expert. We give it a clear goal and a time limit, a short, fun, 15-minute exercise. Be specific.
And what you get back are actual, engaging exercises that are designed to do one thing: smash down those communication walls. These aren't cheesy icebreakers. They're targeted ways to get your team solving problems together.
So using these prompts is a huge first step. It's a game changer. But it's just the beginning. To really take this to the next level, we have to think bigger. We have to move into continuous improvement. Here's how. 1. Start feeding your anonymous retro notes to the AI and ask it for patterns. 2. Use those patterns to personalize how you coach each person. And 3. This is the big one. This is how you evolve from just a meeting facilitator into a true strategic enabler for your team.
You have the playbook now. To go even deeper, make sure you grab that free Agile starter kit below. And hey, if you're really serious about this, check out our workshop. It's designed to help you 10x your team's performance.
So I'll leave you with this. Is your job just to run the meetings and check the Agile boxes? Or is your real purpose to unlock the incredible, untapped potential sitting right there in your team? You know the answer.